Hey, hi.
Hi.
What you are doing today?
Making slime.
You're making slime. Oh, making slime.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay. Ooh, wow, it's a cake.
First keep.
That is you.
Okay.
Oh, it's a pink.
Okay.
Can I take one?
That's a green. First keep all of them out and
Hey,
let's.
yes, I'll go so we can make it.
No.
Two
Okay.
and a white.
One. Okay. So that's all.
Oh,
Oh, there's one more. There's one. Yeah, there's one more.
Oh, there's one. Hey, this for you. Okay, thank you.
Good. So what all you got here? Yeah, can you keep all colors here? Let's see what all we got here first. Don't open. Yeah, just close it. Close it for now. We'll open it. Yeah. Give it to me. I'll just close it. Adi, give it to me. I'll close it. You keep it there. Keep it there. Okay. Let's see what all we got. Okay. So we got a blue color glue, and this is magical. Yes, this is a magical liquid which helps us make glitters. Yes. And there is a washable white clear glue, and that is gluing blue paint. And this is what is this? This is like a magical liquid. Okay, let's read how to make it. JoJo, you know how to make it? Can you explain how to make it? Let Amayam. Okay. Okay, we need to keep that glue and also mix with magical liquid. Right? So what we need to mix? To mix what we need? We need a bowl. We need a bowl, right? Yeah, let's get a bowl. Yes. Okay, let's get a get it. So let's get a clear bowl. Yes, wait. Let's keep it here first, okay? Okay. So sure. So yeah, let's do it in two different bowls so that Aadhya can make different color and you can make a different color. Okay? Yep. Yeah. Let's get a new bowl. Other bowl. JoJo already know how to make it, but let's read the instructions. So here are the instructions. Okay. Okay, we need a bowl, and first we need to pour out 1 ounce of Elimer's glow in dark glue into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of and mix that. Yes, it's very easy. First, what we need to do is not that one. First, you need to pour the glue first. What all you need? Which one you need? No, this not this one. Aadhya, let's open this one. This glowing in the dark glue. So both of you open it, and you have to pour a little. You want help in opening it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Hey, I can open it.
Okay. You have to help Chilama as well. Okay.
I'll do.
Yeah. Let me help you, Adi.
Okay. I got it. Hey, I'm a big boy.
It's okay. Yeah. Take it. You got it.
I got it.
Yeah. You have to open this lid. Okay. Okay, hold it. Okay. Yeah. Now pour in the bowl. Yes, pour it in the bowl. Yeah, pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it.
Are this enough?
Yeah, pour it, pour it all.
Okay.
I think you need all of them.
Whoopsie!
It's okay, it's okay. Nothing happened. Oh, you have to just squeeze it. Yes, like that. See how Chalama is squeezing? She's squeezing neatly, nicely. Yes. Squeeze like that.
I think there's no more.
No, it is there. There will be. Yeah, see?
There's a big bubble coming.
Yeah, you have to squeeze like that. She squeezed nicely.
Yes.
Are you done, buddy? Yeah. We also need 2 spoons to mix it. Mama, can we get 2 spoons, please? Enough. Yeah, it's done. Let me help, buddy.
Yes. I got shining.
Oh, yeah. This is a shining glue, right? So it will be shining.
We are taking glue, I think. Oh, there's enough there.
Yeah, that's, I think, enough. You got spoon?
Yes.
You got big
one.
one.
For me. Okay, you big one too. Thank you, Aadhya.
Nice.
Aadhya, give me because I'm big.
Oh, nice. That's fine.
I just want to
So
small.
now what we have to do is we have to mix this magical liquid.
I was small.
Yeah, you have to pour little bit, okay? Wait. Yeah, I'll give it to you. One second. Little bit and mix it. Yeah.
This one is bigger.
Yes. Okay, anything is fine. Yeah, mix little bit. Pour little bit, Adi. Pour little bit more. Enough. Now mix it. Mix it with spoon.
This is strong.
Mix it.
It's amazing making science now.
Yeah, mix it.
Hey, this is shiny.
Yeah. Mix it. Don't touch it with fingers. It's okay. Mix it well. Stir it well. Yes.
I think you have to add more there.
Oh, you said I mean.
No. You have to first mix, then we'll add more, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Mix it up. I'll pour little bit more, okay? I'll help in pouring. Yeah. Yep.
Can you pour some mine?
Yep.
Now that's better. So can I see now? Let's see in the box somewhere now what we can do.
You have to mix. So all we have to do is just mix.
Bring my super spoon and mix it faster.
Yes.
What the? But now it's done.
See.
That's
Check.
you.
It's glue. See, it's almost... Yeah, see, it's forming like that.
Now what we need that?
We need some more. So we need some more. Yeah, mix it, Adi. Mix it. See? It's not at a stick like that. Yeah.
I'm not
Mix it.
touching.
Mix it.
No, touch it now.
Oh, I'm not touching.
The man is over too.
Yeah. Try lifting it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, it's sticky.
It's sticky. You have to mix.
I can take it.
It's okay. Get a tissue. Mama, can you give us some tissue?
Soupies. I got an ant on my hand.
Yeah, Mama is giving tissue.
I don't need this. I need a fan. Would you please and not do it now? Can I
Okay.
have one tissue piece?
Yep.
One tissue piece.
Yeah, give one to Chalama as well. Okay.
Like got sandy.
Yep. Mix. We have to mix it well.
In box now.
No, we have to mix it well. And I'm pouring a little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
Don't put your so don't get just feed wet.
Yep, that's fine. Just mix it, Adi. Mix it thoroughly. Stir.
Dad, I can do it faster. Dad,
Yes.
I think so we need a board more like this one.
It's okay. If you want, you can mix it, but not needed. Mix it, Adi. Mix it. See?
Put it now.
Yeah. See? Adya's is almost cushy. Cushy.
Mine is wet.
Yeah, you have to mix. Have you mixed it?
Yeah.
See, this part. You have not mixed it.
I'm putting a piece.
Done, Adi? You want help?
I want to give it.
Okay.
Before
No, enough, Adi. We don't need to pour any. That's enough. It's enough. Enough.
It's done.
I think so.
So,
Enough. Yeah, it's already done. See, yours is already done.
How
Anya's
am I?
need- I think you need more. You need to stir it more. Let me help you. Want
do you
help?
need to get rid of this one?
Oh, I think yours is tough too. See, buddy.
I think so we need this.
So mix with hands, if not.
I think we. Hey, you're mixing with pink color.
Oh, it will become color. It's okay, Anna. It's okay.
How we
That
can
is-
put this too?
We don't need
Same
that.
as yours.
That's a clear glue. We don't need that now. Okay.
We need it so we can make it this better or something.
No. No, it's okay. Just mix it. Mix it with the hands. Use your hands now.
Okay.
See, I got a glitter on my hands. Adi, see, I got a glitter on my hand.
What? Hey.
Yeah, mix it with hand.
not
Yeah, mix it
done.
with hand. Yeah, mix it with hand.
What happens when you mix it with
It's okay. Yeah, you can keep your spoon aside, Adi, and mix it with hands.
Why is this sticky? When it's not done.
It will be done. You have to mix it.
This.
Mix with hands. Come on. That's so funny, right? Mix it with hands, Adi.
Okay. Can I have this one so I can it put that one first?
Which one?
This bigger.
Liquid?
Yeah.
Sure. You want a little bit more?
So I can mix it later.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, yours is done, Adi. Yours is good. See?
Hey, man, is Jesse. Man is like real slime.
Real slime, yeah.
Man is he white. I can use my shoulder for my rest it or something.
Just mix like that.
This is almost done. But you can mark.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, yours is almost done as well. Yeah, it's getting thicker. See? You just try like that.
Can I
Yeah.
have that one? This one.
You first mix it. Mix
I
it.
need this one very done.
You want to pour that one? I think.
I think this will make it this
See, it's getting harder. Yeah, mix it, Jojo. Mix
I
it.
just make it colorful. I didn't mix it colorful.
Let Adi mix it, and at the end we can mix all the colors together and just mess it up. Okay? Adi, just show how big, how long you can make it.
What is this? Sticky! I wonder what. Mom, this is sticky!
Yeah, it's getting sticky. Yeah, mix it.
If you get sticky, you
Yeah, no worries.
out.
It's okay. Can you get me a tissue, please? Yeah. Try. Come on. Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah. Keep it in bowl, okay? Yeah. Adi's also good.
How about mine? Mine is really good at white.
Yeah, yours is also good. Adi's is pink.
Daddy, who's here? Yeah, it's not present.
Okay, you're not going to school today, buddy.
Why?
It's holiday, right?
What then?
You got holiday.
Hey, I can take it off. I can take it off, Dad.
You can take it off, yes.
I can take it off with my sticky gas.
So you love this? You loved it? You like this slime making?
Hey, can we mix it now
With what?
with everything?
No, I don't. Not right now. Give it some time. We play with it sometime, then we can mix it, okay?
No. Mom,
Okay, just
hey,
mix-
you didn't have it.
Okay, let's mix it. You want it now.
We don't need this one.
No. We'll make it some other time. We'll mix it after some time, okay?
No, there's no one now.
Actually, we have to make it separate, all of them, and then we have to mix it. We cannot just pour in that now. Because
I
that's
want it now.
yeah.
Let me mix it with it. It's easier.
You don't need to mix, Jojo. It's already done. You have to
There's
play.
some over here. I can't take it out.
So you guys liked it?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Adi, you like it, Adi?
See,
Aadhya liked it. You want to make it colorful?
Yeah.
Sure. You want some colors in it?
Yeah. Whoa.
I don't know if we can keep. Oh, see how she.
Why? Why can't I mix it now
What do you want to mix it?
with these things? I thought you want eyebrows and a cute nose. And what should you name this one and this one?
You can mix it with pink. Let's see what
No,
happens.
not pink. Oh, let's take this one. I'm going to do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Adhya, we cannot mix anything in yours. But let's see what happens with
Peter.
Anya. Okay.
My,
We'll mix it little bit, okay? Yeah.
my,
Enough.
how about this?
That is clear glow. That will not affect anything. So it
Oh,
will be
let me
clear.
just check with this one.
Okay. You mix it with hands. Mix it with hands.
Wow!
It's okay.
Like gassy. Hey, it's making me cover. Hey, let's put this one here. What's that? What's that make?
That is clear. It's not a glitter, but it's a clear glow. Clear blue glow.
Oh, let's put that. It's amazing. When it makes this one, it will make semi impossible. But it can make it really squishy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's squishy. It has a pen there. You see?
Mhm.
I told baby no, please. Mom? Hey, let's put that in. Hey, put it on this one. So I can do it stuck in this.
Yep.
Mom. I didn't want some mixing it. I don't want mixing it too.
Yeah, Adhya is mixing pink one. She likes pink a lot, so she's
I like mixing it.
okay.
I like mixing and something like this. It's really good. Watermelon. Now you stick it inside.
Okay.
Open your time, no big. Wait. What's time in this tap?
Okay. What?
How
What do you want?
about we mix it? All of them.
Yeah, you are mixing it. We already mixed all the colors now.
How about that? How about pink?
Pink?
Yeah.
Let's keep it so pink.
Why not working?
I think.
I
Oh,
think
some,
it will.
yeah.
Hey, there's a miracle. Hey, the thing. I'm done with this.
You can take it with your hand. Yeah.
I know. Sure.
Okay. Mix it. Mix it.
It's making all coffee. Woohoo!
Mix it.
Hey, rice or
took it. Just
I can lift it up now. Hey! What happened? Where's that one with the
ఏంటది
Baguette.
What?
Can you see the guitar down there?
Oh, awesome, Adi. She's playing with it.
Hey, you can mine. It's mixing us something. You can just do this. Then you can what happens. It's making lighting.
Yeah, because you mix spring, right?
Then you can lighting. That's yay. I got pink and I got jet. Ready?
See, Adhya's is good.
That's good for this one.
No. It's not as much because yours is already thicker. It's already like it's getting harder.
It could fit. It could fit. Ooh.
Okay, John, keep it here. Okay. Take it off, Adi. Take it off.
That kind of just mix it there.
You have to mix. Yeah, mix, Adi, mix.
That is green.
Oh, you need green one. Oh, this we already mixed it.
What then? Again. I told you just put this one.
That is clear glue, Jojo.
This will give you either if you just mix it carefully.
Okay, take that green glue.
Mom, we're mixing it. What is it? Yes.
They just need one color. All she need is one color. Let me help. Hold it tight. Hold it. Oh, it's hard.
I want this to happen.
Little bit. Enough.
I want this. This makes sense.
It does not make any difference because that is clear view, right? It will not make any difference.
It's making difference. You mind? Hey, what's this one?
What?
The one.
It's the same thing. Both of them are same.
Why?
They gave like extra small one.
What are they? Daddy.
Yeah, mix it. See, they are.
It's making purple.
Adi, don't mix. That is pink, right? That looks good. Don't mix any other color with it.
That's making purple.
It's purple.
Yeah.
That's nice color.
Here my hand is in guitar. Then my hand is shining.
Okay.
I just want some shining urine.
Okay. Play for some time. Okay. Yeah. Now that is how it.
Mom is out. Just show
Yes.
her now.
Yes.
Mom, I need to show you something.
Yes.
No.
No. Let's go here. Let's go in. Let's go and wash them. It's really dark here. Okay. Let's go in dark here. Here.
One come in here.
Yeah. See. Come. Let's close the door. Let's close the door, Adi. Come in.
Come in.
Come in.
Mom, this is second. It's close it down.
Yeah. Just please open it, Jojo, like that.
Okay. Wow. Feel
It's not visible in cam, but it's really glowing, right?
yeah, this looks
Yes.
like that. Come on.
Yeah. Hold
Hold
it.
Stand up, you're good.
Pull it.
Uh-oh.
See?
Whoa. One man!